Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we got an Admiral dual bevel sliding mounted compound miter saw video, my opinion, and something that I found that a friend bought this, a YouTuber of mine, and something happened with this saw. Alright, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. First of all, I want to give a shout out to Wrenches and Boards, Homesteading, for providing this video evidence or information about the saw. What happened is that he plugged it in, he unboxed it, everything correctly, put the blade in there and everything. And when he plugged it in, he tried to turn it on, and it didn't work. And what he was saying is that there was something wrong with the trigger, maybe a wire around this part. So he did actually took it apart. That's, you know, it's his own unit, so he's feel free to do anything that he wants with his unit. So he just, you know, took a peek out, maybe took a couple of screws and look at the insides, and yes, there was a wire that's either was false contact or something like that. I will be linking the video to his channel and about this situation here. Make sure subscribe to his channel, leave him a comment and a like on his channel, because he's giving out good information about this saw, and check out his channel. Alright, just wanted to share that with you guys. I'll see if I can put a clip from his channel here. The title of the video is Shop Time. It almost didn't work, so that is the title of that video. Let's see, let's play it here.
When I first plugged this in, there ended up being a really loud buzzing noise, and then it kind of started smoking.
Alright, that is a clip from his video. If you want to watch the whole thing, I'm not gonna put it on this video, obviously, because I don't have the rights to that video. That's his channel. He did give me permission to mention him on this channel and put it on the social media. So go ahead and check out his channel, watch that video, and just to clarify, I am not saying that these saws are bad in any way. I am saying that, you know, it's probably 1 in 5,000 that's bad. You know, it's just something that happens to every brand, especially if they're new brands. But it's as you can see here, this saw does have 5 stars. It has a lot of good reviews. So this is nothing against Admiral. This is nothing against Harbor Freight. This is completely just one saw that happened. You know, one item that happened. And I just want to get it out there, so if that happens to you, you know, just return the item and get yourself another one. This is a great saw. I do recommend you guys getting this saw over the Chicago Electric. I do have the Chicago Electric. So far so good, but I heard more bad things about the Chicago Electric than the Admiral. And obviously the Hercules, it's an amazing machine. There is no bad things about the Hercules. You can check out the bear, the den of tools for that Hercules video. I will link I will see if I can put both of those in the description section of this channel and up above above this screen here. Alright guys, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next